Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new small chapter of Q version Small Theater. Right now, she was blowing her hair. Suddenly, Sian went in. Come on and try my new hair dryer, said to Lu Shishao. Sian, she seems to be excited. Right now, she took off the dryer. I read the ad slogan that it's quick drying and the pressure wind is strong. Suddenly, Sian, she seems to be surprised. The wind is really slow. Are you being deceived by the advertisement? Sian said to her. No way. On the other hand, suddenly, the wind blew fast. She said no, Jojo. Sian said to her, but turns out it was not really blowing well. Sian, don't buy things anymore. Shishao said to her. Well, Sian, she was easy to deceive. Take it easy, almost dry. Remember to help me rub the hair oil. Right now, Lucy is admiring the nails, but no one cares. Sian, she seems to be sad. Well, we can help it. She's really easy to deceive. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Bye!